Please read these important instructions before we start. Also, remember these important details about phrasal verbs. Number 1. The story. Did you hear about the artist who died? Yeah, it's a shame. She was incredibly talented. Her artwork belongs in a museum. If they put all of it in a museum, her legacy can live on. Quiz time! Her legacy can live on. What does on mean? Continue. A platform. Support. That's right, it's continue. Her artwork can continue to live. Number 2. The story. How do you like your new apartment? It's nice, but it can be a little annoying. What's wrong? Well, there's so much wind because we're really high. I live on the 20th floor. I live on the 20th floor. What does on mean? Continue. A platform. Support. That's right, it's a platform. A floor is like a platform. We use on for floors or platforms. Number 3. The story. Did you hear that he got fired? Wow, that's a shame. Yeah, now he collects unemployment money from the government. It must be hard to live on that amount of money. Living on that amount must be hard. What does on mean? Continue. A platform. Support. That's right, it's support. Money supports our ability to live. Let's apply it. Now you know some meanings for the word on in phrasal verbs. Take the quiz to see if you can identify the meaning of on in each example. He goes on YouTube every day. What does on mean? That's right, it's a platform. YouTube is an online platform. He works on a boat in the summer. What does on mean? That's right, it's a platform. A boat is like a platform that you board. She depends on her parents for everything. What does on mean? That's right, it's support. Her parents support her. He moved on from his girlfriend. What does on mean? That's right, it's continue. He continued his life without his girlfriend. Please pass this message on to my boss. What does on mean? That's right, it's continue. The message continued to the next person, his boss. He counts on his friends for help. What does on mean? That's right, it's support. His friends support him. This is the same as depend on. She works on the internet. What does on mean? That's right, it's a platform. The internet is a platform for many digital things. They cheered their team on during the match. What does on mean? That's right, it's support. If you cheer on your team, you support them. As a professional, I'm a strong advocate for one-to-one lessons. Preply is a teacher marketplace with people ready to help. Find your ideal teacher for almost any language, set your price, choose if they're a native speaker and the country they're from, pick your preferred times, and schedule your lesson. It's that easy and from the comfort of your home. In total, there are over 32,000 tutors and teachers, and 17,000 just for English. This is education of the future. And right now, with the link in my description, get a 50% discount on your first lesson. Sign up for Preply today. To sum up, live on can mean many different things depending on the context. It's important to understand the word on to understand the full meaning of different verbs. Generally, technology is a platform, so we use the preposition on very often. Examples: on generally means continue. Our ancestors live on through our traditions. I moved on from my last girlfriend. Now I'm dating someone new. Please pass this message on to your family for me. On generally means platform. I go on my favorite apps multiple times a day. Let's get on the boat. It's about to leave. There is so much crazy and fake content on the internet these days. On generally means support. I depend on my job for money. You can always count on me. I will always be there for you. Let's go to the game tonight and cheer on our favorite team. That's not all. Phrasal verbs and prepositions are incredibly complicated. On is often associated with contact, too. There's much more to teach you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more phrasal verb and preposition help. Thanks for watching, and thank you, channel supporters. If you have a question about on, leave it in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.